Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video review I want to talk about Ripple XRP. So a few days ago I made a video regarding XRP coming to the resistance line and possible breakout of that resistance line. You can go back to my the channel and you can see that Ripple video that I made ready to break resistance line, and we are at that. Okay, so yesterday it pierced that resistance line that we have been talking about for a few days, and the potential of getting into Ripple and the upside potential were looking really bullish. Since then, what it has done, yesterday it pierced that line, and now it's making going past that 10-day moving average on the daily chart. And the second thing is coming right at the first resistance level that we drew out, which is right around 89 cents, 89.90 cents. It touched that resistance level a little bit about an hour ago in the morning, and now it is pulling slightly back, but not as much, which is completely okay. What we want to see on the daily today is want to make sure we finish, first of all, we finish above the resistance trend line that we drew. That's coming all the way from the mid-January time frame. So it's almost a month old resistance line that we have been watching. We want to make sure we stay above that resistance line first. Second, we want to, if we can stay over that 10-day moving average, that will be extremely bullish in my opinion. If we can close the candlestick over that 10-day resistance line, that will be extremely bullish. Third, if we can go to the smaller time frame, as you can see, this is the resistance line we drew a couple of days ago that we have been following. And the third thing, we want to make sure that the volume, if you can see, this volume is gradually starting to come up on the bull side. All right, see those green bar coming up. So what I want to see, third confirmation, is the volume. We want to see that volume uptick. That will give us a confirmation that hey, we are whatever the low that we made will remain, those lows will be sustainable on for the near term, and we won't be going back to those lows. So that will be a good sign, especially the volume, if we can get some volume into the equation. All right, so keep an eye on those levels. So for first resistance is around 90 cents. The second resistance will come right around dollar mark, 99 to dollar mark. So we want to make sure that's the initial spike we had. I'm gonna draw it right around here, right around 98.99 cents. Back when we were trying to bounce right after our first leg down, we came to that 98 cents resistance. We did not go past that, so now it will be, we need to see a confirmation that if we can get over that resistance, and we will definitely need more volume, more traders coming into, investors coming into Ripple in order to take us to that next level up. Okay, so those are a few things that you have to keep in mind. This consolidation period for last couple of days, we have finally getting out of it. Staying over that 82 cents mark is also a very good area to watch, because that's the level of resistance that we are breaking for intermediate. So intermediate, keep an eye on that 82 cents level as well, because that's the level that we recently break, and we want to make sure that if the bulls can have enough momentum to stay over those levels. So let me just draw it right here. Okay, all right. Other thing that you want to keep an eye on it is like just overall headline news from the global market. You want to make sure the global market, we don't have any new lows that we might see in the stock market, in the overall global market. We want to see that we finish the day pretty positive. That will be good indicator that we are marching toward right direction. Right now, as I said it in my previous videos, usually the 9:30 open happens when you have between 9:30 and 9:30 is when the market, when the the S&P and the Nasdaq stock market opens up in US Eastern time, and usually what happens is 9:30 to 10:30 you have a lot of amateur traders, you have a lot of retail trader who jumps into the trade when the market opens, but the professional traders typically don't come in the morning to buy new things. They usually are more of a sellers in the morning, and when they usually buy is during the 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern time zone. That's when they start buying for their position. That's historically that's how it's been done in the global market, in the stock market. So keep an eye on those levels. Usually around noontime the trading slows down. So it's always a, like, you know, the pattern that we have seen, that trading slows down around noontime. So second thing you want to watch is the global market. Make sure that we are remain over that previous low that we made on S&P 500, on Nasdaq. That will give us a good sign that, hey, this low that we are making are sustainable, especially in the global market. And if the global market makes new low, then I will be little cautious in the crypto market as well, because that will ripple into the crypto market. We need the new investors who are bullish on the overall global market and economics, and we need those investors in crypto. Crypto investors can take the market only so far. We need those institutional investors, institutional hedge funds to come into Bitcoins and like getting into the game, and they will only do that if the overall picture stays bullish. Okay, all right, so that's a wrap on XRP. We are, like, you know, as I said, we are coming toward well, hold on 1 minute. I think I just drew that line for Litecoin as well. Okay, so that's pretty much the you want to keep your eye on for Ripple as well. We are coming to that resistance of 91 cents. We want to stay over that 82 cents support level, and I will keep you updated on this Ripple transaction. I will keep the comments section open. I will monitor the situation. If we are coming to a significant resistance or support, I will post that in the comment section as well. All right, thank you guys, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Please hit those like notification icons. That just gives me motivation to do this content for you every day. All right, thank you.